said I uploaded a video last night and I said that I would record this and then I forgot about it. Sorry guys, I forgot about it. I was distracted by Keegan. Keegan asking me questions about pegs and fences and
dirt ramps
and Bill Gates
and bike parts.
Hello YouTube and welcome to another jet ski update video. My videos have recently gotten a little bit out of order because I uploaded the fuel system modification video before this one. If you look closely at some of this footage, you'll probably see some weirdness in the footage. Anyway, the reason for that is I had my neighbor in helping me with that video and he was quite excited to see himself in a video, so I published that one before I had this one edited. In this video, I'm going to be building the rear mounts for the surf brace. I am going to be machining them out of solid stock of aluminum. So let's get to it. Since yesterday?
Yeah. I dropped it off my bed and it won't turn on.
No, one of my teachers told me, that I was slower than molasses going uphill in February.
Is the camera recording?
Yep.
So then I'm gonna get banned because I said freaking.
I don't have to put that in the video. I still have a little bit of finishing work to do on these, but they're pretty much done. I have that one installed. And over here, this is the one that you just watched me make. I've got that installed as well. Now, before I make the rod that goes between here and here, I need to figure out what I'm going to do for a bracket. After taking a quick look at it, I think what I'm going to do is use these original bolt holes and a little bit longer bolt and just go down through into a bracket. So I'm going to use another piece of this aluminum stock stuff and yeah, basically turn that into a bracket. So a few videos back I mentioned that I had got myself some carbon fiber tubing and I said to stay tuned to find out what I was going to use it for. Well, these tubes are going to be the braces that I use between the front mount and rear mount. I have the aluminum bar stock that I am going to turn down so that it fits in the end of the tube. It's going to be epoxied in place, but before it gets epoxied in place, I'm going to drill and tap that, and then I'm going to thread in a heim joint, or what I usually call a tie rod end. I got myself a left-hand tap set recently, so I can tap one end for left-hand thread, one end for right-hand thread, and then I'll be able to rotate this surf brace and add a little bit of preload onto it. So that should work out quite well. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. In the next video I will be building the front mount for the surf brace, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.